Hey, Google makes it clear. Your visitors have spoken. They both want to do business with websites which display well, work well, and load very fast on any device. That's right, it's a fact that as much as 60% of all web users today use their cell phones or Wi-Fi tablets to access the web and conduct a search for businesses just like yours. It's also a fact that over 90% of all websites today are not ready to capture that 60% of all potential new sales. Hey, not only that, according to Google, visitors of your website which cannot use it from their cell phone or Wi-Fi tablet never return. Hey, can you afford to forever lose 60% of your potential sales? Well, you can stop the madness of wasting as much as 60% of your ad dollars today. How? You gotta get on over to EasyOnlineClassifieds.com.